Walking backward looks weird, but it can upgrade your body and brain in just 10 minutes. Safety first, before you take a single step, start on a flat, clear path. Think of an empty hallway where you can touch a wall, or get on a treadmill where you can hold the rails for support. Avoid any obstacles or uneven ground. So how do you spend those 10 minutes? Here's a simple plan. Warm up with 2 minutes of normal forward walking, then switch to 6 minutes of walking backward, and finish up with a 2-minute forward cooldown. That's it. Just remember the 2-6-2 method. For your technique, think slow and controlled. Take small steps. Instead of your heel, your toes should touch down first. Keep your knees soft and slightly bent, never locked. And most importantly, maintain a tall posture, imagining a string is gently pulling you up from the crown of your head. Okay, let's get into the benefits. Benefit 1, your balance improves. Walking backward forces your brain to work much harder just to keep you stable. This challenge strengthens the neural pathways responsible for balance, making you steadier on your feet in everyday life. Benefit 2, your coordination and body awareness get a serious boost. This unfamiliar movement makes you consciously think about how your arms and legs are moving together in sync, which sharpens that crucial mind-body connection. Benefit 3, you'll work entirely new muscles. Forward walking is routine for your body. Retro walking puts more demand on your quadriceps, the front of your thighs, and the tibialis anterior muscles in your shins, waking up parts of your lower body that are often underused. Benefit 4 is a big one for many people. It can be much kinder to your knees. Because you're landing on your toes and using your quads more, it can significantly reduce the impact and pressure on the knee joint itself. That's why you'll often see it used in physical therapy and rehabilitation. Benefit 5 takes us back to the brain. This is not a mindless activity. Your brain's prefrontal cortex has to light up, focusing on attention, spatial awareness, and planning your next step. It's a powerful mental workout just as much as a physical one. Benefit 6, you'll burn more energy. Because your body isn't as efficient at moving backward, it simply has to work harder to perform the same action. At the same speed, walking in reverse can burn significantly more calories than walking forward. And finally, benefit 7. It can improve your posture and back control. Walking backward naturally encourages you to stand up straighter, engaging your core and the specific muscles that support your spine, which is fantastic for overall back health. Feeling a little nervous to start? That's perfectly normal. Just remember your options. A treadmill is a great place to begin because you can hold the rails for constant support, or find a clear hallway and lightly trail your hand along the wall as you go. As you get more comfortable, you'll want to progress. Instead of jumping straight to 6 minutes, maybe start with just 2 minutes of backward walking within your 10-minute session. Then simply add 1 more minute each week. Slow and steady progress is always the goal. So now you know the why and the how. The only question left is where. Where would you give this a try? On a treadmill, in a hallway, or maybe on a clear park track? Think about which one feels right for you, and maybe even give it a go.